freckle on your shoulder and the creases on your cheeks, the scar upon your forehead and your whisper when you speak. I took them 'cause I need you. I took them to be mine. I took them so